Howdy! Welcome to our Collin Street Bakery family. You clearly have excellent taste. Since you're new to us, we'd love to give you a tour. Come on, let's go. Shopping on our new website has never been easier. Simply start by browsing our selection of handcrafted treats, adding to your cart whatever looks best. When you're ready, check out with ease. Our site safely saves your gift list, so whether you're shopping for yourself or shopping for a special someone, all your addresses are just a few clicks away. Our site even allows you to send gifts to multiple addresses all in one checkout process, a huge time saver around the holidays. What's more, our checkout process puts you in total control. Set custom delivery dates or add a personalized gift message. We'll then securely process your payment and send you a confirmation email containing your receipt and helpful tracking details. Once you've completed your order, just sit back, relax, and wait for your package to arrive. And rest assured, your desserts are in the best of hands. We've been doing this for over 120 years, which means we're practically experts. If your order doesn't arrive absolutely perfect, let us know. All our products are backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. You see, our business isn't just about baking cakes. Our business is about making smiles. Order from Collin Street Bakery today and let us make you smile.